Good morning. It's Monday, the 29th of November, and welcome to our Storm Daily Debrief. Just to recap, on Friday, we obviously had quite a drastic move in markets with this new variant coming across. We had a massive sell-off in our JSE, taking about 3%. And I think this morning we've got quite a decent setup maybe for some potential longs to buy some stock, just to maybe capitalize on the short-term bounce as the markets are recovering from the steep sell-off. I think this morning it'll be interesting to be watching quite closely some of the resource sector, the diversified miners. So we're going to be watching those first. Here, you've got copper, all commodity prices looking quite strong this morning. So I think the first play will be watching BHP Billiton. BHP Billiton traded pretty well despite sort of the violent sell-off on Friday. I think the stock could trade back to its 200 day, which is at 429. You still got a bit of a weaker rand, very decent oil price rebound, and I think commodities holding all in all generally quite well. Iron was also up 4.6%. So I think this one might be one to keep an eye on come 10 o'clock. I think similarly, you've had process that traded really, really well as well. I think this 1,320 is a bit of a level. It did close a bit lower there in across water, but I think this one might be one to also keep an eye on to buy. Then on the local counters, I think all of our banks got sold off about 7% minimum on Friday, so it was a huge potential overreaction. I wouldn't be diving into the banks this morning, but I think they certainly can. They're offering some decent value, and you could get a short-term bounce out of them. I think Standard Bank held quite well around 124 area, 124.50. So it might be one to watch. I think so long as it holds 120 and there's no capitulation there, this might be one also to nibble on this morning. I think as for Aussie, it's quite a tricky play, but you've got Tencent, Flanterias up 1.6%, BHP Billions up at 1.89%. I wouldn't be diving into longs, but around 62, 400, 500 area might be points of interest to watch this morning where it trades. Other than that, I think just keep an eye on the platinum sector. I see Impala's has made an offer 150 Rand per share for a Royal Bafokeng. So I think this might also be some interesting area to play. Impala's obviously sold off quite aggressively. Let's see how the market digests this news. Good luck for today.